How to fix Google Gemini error code 1097. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. First of all, check Google Gemini by running in an incognito or private browsing environment. For this, launch an in private or incognito window. Click on three dots here. Select new incognito window. Type Google Gemini and check if it starts working normally. If the problem is not solved, then delete the cache and cookies of your browser. To delete the browser cache and cookies, click on three dots, select delete browsing data, click on more over here and select all time. Make sure that all the options are selected here. The box are checked. Then click on delete data. Let the data delete. Wait for some time. Then close the browser and then open the browser again and go to Gemini. Check if the problem is solved. If it still persists, make sure that Gemini is turned on in the Google Admin Console environment. I have not any account in Google Admin Console. To be fair, I am telling you as an example here. Go to Google Admin Console by logging in your account. Then go to Google Workspace and then go to Gemini. Make sure that Gemini is turned on over here. If it is turned off, then turn it on and run Google Gemini. It should work properly. The next method is wait for 48 hours. If you have created a new account in Google Workspace, then wait for 48 hours to get the account activated. If the error still continues, create and submit a direct feedback report to the engineering team of Gemini. For this, go to Settings, Help, click on Help Center, scroll down and click on Report a Problem. Describe your problem here and take a screenshot by clicking on Capture a Screenshot. Highlight the area and select it to attach the screenshot. Check this box and click on Send. You will get updates on your email. Check email and follow the instructions given by the engineers. The issue should be solved. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.